Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring what it might feel like to surrender our assumptions and expectations about life and to open to things as they are. To begin the practice, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. It does not matter whether you are on the floor, on a bench, or in a chair. Simply let yourself settle in and then close your eyes. Let your spine elongate and your shoulders relax. And let your hands rest in your lap or on your thighs. And take a moment to let yourself mentally arrive in this moment. By gently softening any ideas about the past and any preoccupations with your to-do list, explore what this present moment feels like. You might do this by noting your sense of the earth beneath you, by noting any visceral sensations within the body, or by feeling the air that flows through you as the breath. And to facilitate this process of settling in, I invite you to consciously relax your forehead, your jaw and your tongue, your hands, and your belly. And then allow your attention to focus in on the breath. Observe its natural, graceful movement as it fills your lungs and as it departs. Spend just a few more silent moments observing the breath in this way. And if the mind wanders at any point, know that this is entirely natural. Simply and compassionately, in these moments, draw your attention back to the breath. To begin an exploration of what it might mean to really open to the process of life, we might consider the words of American writer Max Ehrmann. In his prose poem Desiderata, he wrote, "And whether or not it is clear to you, no doubt the universe is unfolding as it should." When we are in the midst of difficulty or confusion, these words and their meaning might feel beyond reach. Sometimes they are not what we are ready or need to hear. Often, however, they can be the perfect antidote to our struggle with the happenings of life. These words do not suggest that it is wrong to dream of things being different, or that there is any problem with experiencing the very real and very human spectrum of emotions. Simply, If we feel ready to surrender our resistance to whatever the present moment might bring, this quote reflects a sentiment that might facilitate our ability to let go. Even when the mind cannot figure out or find reason for some of the things that happen in life, we can practice softening the brain's cognitive functions and opening our heart to what is right here. By easing our assumptions and our expectations, we might find a sense of trust in the process, and even a little glimmer of peace beneath whatever challenges or confusion we are experiencing. Opening to the process is not about denying our emotions, our hopes, or our dreams. It is simply about creating a little more space to believe in the innate wisdom and mystery of the universe. A simple way to practice this softening and opening to life's flow is through tending to the heart and reaffirming our faith in the mystery of the universe. So, take a moment now to come back to your awareness of the breath. Soften your belly as you allow the breath to flow a little bit deeper. Now draw your awareness to the heart space, letting each inhalation create an opening and each exhalation create a softening. And if or when any thoughts come to mind, perhaps assumptions or expectations about how things are supposed to be or look, gently guide those thoughts down into the heart. Let them bathe in this process of opening and softening. Continue to breathe through the heart, opening to the notion that all is unfolding as the universe intends. Now, in the silent space that rests beneath all thoughts, I invite you to repeat, I am open to the process. I am open to the mystery. I am open to the way life unfolds. Let all inner words dissolve for a few final moments now, as you come back to the natural ebb and flow of the breath. Let your awareness broaden to include the floor or other surface beneath you. And then bring a bit of movement into your hands and your feet. And when you are ready, you may slowly open your eyes to the universe around you. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.